welcome to our mathematics class. We'll be looking at past questions on JAMB, WAEC, and NECO, depending on the type of exam that you are to write. So in this type of equation given to you, x plus 2y is equals to 7, 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 3 whole number 1 all over 2. If you are given this type of equation, this question is from simultaneous equation. You can use any of the methods that you want to use, but depending on the question. But when looking at this question, instead of using elimination method, we may use a substitution method, because in exams they will not give you which of the method to use. You are the one to apply the method that are going to use. But the nature of this question is for substitution. We'll start with solution. Use substitution method. We'll bring down our question. X plus 2y is equals to 7, equation 1. We have 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 3 1 over 1 over 2, equation 2. So we make equation x the subject of the formula in equation 1. Make x the subject of the formula. Our x is equals to 7 minus 2y. Going to give us equation 3. So now we're going to substitute for equation 3 into equation 2, where we'll see our x will represent it with that. We have 2 into the bracket of 7 minus 2y, bracket close, minus 3y is equals to minus 3 1 over 1 all over 2. So this is our equation. From here we expand our bracket. We said 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 4 is minus 4y minus 3y is equals to. Now we are going to convert this to improper fraction. We said this times this is going to give us 6. 6 plus 1, 7 all over 2. We have our minus sign here. We support this by 1 because this one is having 2. From here, we cross multiply this direction, this direction. We have 2 into the bracket of 14 minus 4y minus 3y is equals to minus 7. We'll expand it. We said 14 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, which is 28. This will tell us that 2 times 14 is 28. 2 times 4 is minus 8y. 2 times our 3 minus 6y is equals to minus 7. From here, we collect our like terms. Minus 8y minus 6y is equals to minus 7 minus 28. The reason we have 28 is that in our previous class I said anything that cross equality sign, the sign will change. But if you do not change the sign, you will end up having a wrong value, and your steps too, everything will be wrong. So in mathematics, you always work with your sign. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 6 is going to give us minus 14y is equals to, because you are owing somebody 8 naira and you went ahead to borrow another 6 naira. If you add this and this in total, you are having a debt of 14 naira. Then we have minus 7 minus 28 is going to give us minus 35. We divide through by the coefficient of our y, which is 14, minus 14, minus 14. Minus will cancel minus. Our y is equals to 35 all over 14. If you get to this side now, you will leave it because we are dealing with simultaneous equation and you are dealing with substitution method for you to be able to apply to get the value of x. So to get the value of x, now that we know the value of y, we'll be using equation 3. Our x is equals to 7 minus 2 into the bracket of 35 divided by 14. From here, we have x is equals to 7, this times this, 35 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10, write down 0, carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 is 70, minus 70 all over 14. Our x, just like I said, you always support everything by 1 if that number is standing on its own. You make this 14, the LCM. This into this is 14. 14 times 7. 14 times 7. 7 times 4 is 24. Write down is 28. You write down 8, carry 2. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. We have 98 minus 70. You subtract 8, 2. Our x is equals to 28 all over 14. But if you get to this final answer, you look for two numbers that will go. 2 can go into 28 and 2 can go into 14. We have 2 into 28 is 14. 2 into 8 is 7. Once you get to this final answer, you can leave it there, but you can still decide to apply it to mixed fraction. Therefore, our x is equals to 14 all over 7 and our y is equals to 35 all over 14. This to tell you that you are working with everything. Even this one too, 7 can go into this and 7 can go into 14. So if you have any question on substitution method, you can drop it on the comment section. So in our next class, we'll be looking at elimination method, then after that, quadratic equation. Thank you.